How to display full output in Jupyter, not only last result? I want Jupyter to print all the interactive output without resorting to print, not only the last result. How to do it? Example. I would like to display 3, 4.
Thanks to Thomas, here is the solution I was looking for.
This URL. 1. Place this code in a Jupyter cell. 2. In Windows, the steps below makes the change permanent. Should work for other operating systems. You might have to change the path. Make it ipython_config.py file and the profile underscore defaults with the following code.
Per notebook basis. As others have answered, putting the following code in a Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook cell will work. Permanent change. However, if you would like to make this permanent and use Jupyter Lab, you will need to create an ipython notebook config file. Run the following command to do so. Do not run if you use Jupyter Notebook, more details below. If you're using Jupyter Notebook, this file should have already been created and there will be no need to run it again. In fact, running this command may overwrite your current preferences. Once you have this file created, for Jupyter Lab and Notebook users alike, add the following code to the file c:\users\username/profile_default_ipython_config.py. I found there is no need for c=git_config in the newer versions of Jupyter, but if this doesn't work for you, add the c=git_config to the beginning of the file. For more flag options other than all, visit this link. This URL.
We can add display method before every statement that needs to be displayed.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.